In this project, I'm going to digitize a diagram of wine art. In this tracing, I'm going to be using the small drawing board, the one that has the 18 by 12 drawing surface. The first thing I'm going to do in Logic Trace is to define the four corners of the diagram. You can see here where I touch the four corners of the diagram. That will set up the display to match up with the diagram. The next thing I'm going to do is trace out the perimeter of the diagram, and I'll be using the line command. I always promote using a red pencil to keep track of what you've traced and where you've started, but in the case of the small portable drawing board, you can't do that because it's got a plastic overlay. Here I've selected the line command to trace out the cork of the bottle. And again, I'm using the line command to trace out the profile of the bottle. Now I'm going to select the command trace to trace out the glass. Still with tracing out the glass, now I'm going to select curve fit for that other side of the glass. It's very easy to make these selections from curve fit to line to tracing. Just a click of a button. So now that I'm pretty well finished up tracing this project, I'm going to save my file. I'm going to run that file through Vectric Aspire 11.5, check the vector quality, run it through the simulator just to see how it's going to look. The file is then loaded into CorelDRAW as an AI format, and here I'll do the cut contour and it'll be converted to an EPS file for VersaWorks. Shown here is VersaWorks, where that file will be set up for the print and cutout on the vinyl printer. When the print is complete, the print will be pulled back into the printer and it will be cut. That's the cut contour. Here the print has been removed and weeded and the pre-mask applied. Now the heat transfer, the heat press will be set up. The heat transfer of the graphic is complete and the pre-mask is removed. We now have wine art on a canvas tote bag. It looks good.